Okay, so welcome to the first of a few tutorials based upon the e-commerce store OpenCart. Some of you will have, therefore let's give you a quick roundup as to how to maneuver yourself around it. This is the custom install of OpenCart. So as you can see, it's already laid out. It's just a case of customization, and as I like to put it, settings, 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 and more settings. Nowadays, it ain't so much the development of a website; it's the settings behind it that makes it also powerful. So if we now head into our admin panel, we'll have a little dig around and get started. So here we go. First thing to do, obviously you'll notice you've got a full layout. Again, we'll deal with that in later tutorials. Let's just get the very basics underway. So if we click the button to the top left hand side, you will notice that the left hand screen spins out, and you now have this is the area in which you will now play with your website to get it underway. So first off, let's go into System and then Settings. In here you will see your website. Click into here. So let's go through each of these tabs up to a certain point. So let's go into the first one. So we're going to go for store name, and let's enter it with you. So I'm going to deem it as Oscar Websites. Store name as well will be that one. Let's quickly enter the business address. Essex. We won't worry about geocode for the minute. That's something else that can be entered later. Let's not worry about that. Default of your email address. Let's put a telephone number in, which is going to be in now. Opening times, we're going to do Monday 9 AM to 3 PM, just because I'm a bit lazy sometimes. So let's bring those forwards. That'll be Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm sure you kind of get the picture. And Friday, which is going to be there. Okay, so any comments that we might want to make about the shop, we can put in here. For this, on this occasion, we're not going to worry. So, store title. This meta title is ideally for your search engine optimization side of things. So as an example, the meta title here, obviously I'm web design, so therefore I would put in here web design and development. Okay, now that would get shown if you look at the very top of your browser. Even at the moment, you'll probably see probably it says settings, so effectively that web design development will show there on the home page. Okay, design lab, we don't need to worry about that one. Local, so obviously we can input our details here. I'm based in Essex. Language English. One of the things you'll notice that default is US dollar. We're going to want to change that to pound sterling. This here is for postage and package, which we'll get onto in a further tutorial. Let's go into the options. Now there's quite a few options which are available to you in here. Again, later tutorials will go through, but the very basics are product, category product count. So every time somebody sees a product, they're able then to see how many are left in that's available on store. You can select this to be a yes or a no as a show. Reviews as well. You can keep reviews on or turn them off. That's obviously down to personal preference. You have vouchers on site as well, so if people want to purchase a voucher. This one here, display prices with tax. I'm going to set that to no, simply because you'll have a price and you have added tax. General customers are not really going to want to see that. There's more in there to do with the account, checkout, processing orders, stock display, affiliates, returns. For the minute, we'll leave all of those and move on to the next one. Here we have relevant stuff to do with our image sizes, which again I'll go deeper into a further tutorial. But for the minute, let's change the logo for the OpenCart. So all we simply do, we're presented with a rather large banner here. You have create a new folder, obviously delete folder, refresh, and up to another level. But what we're going to do is we're going to upload a new logo. So we'll just click upload. That will then take it through to our development arena. Go into there, into images, find our logo, which we're going to use that one. That will now install. Well, that won't totally override it, but it will do once we save it all. Won't worry about these. A few just for the minute. They can be come back to later. So initially, let's save that. Let's spin back to our shop. And we should then see, there you go, the logo there has now changed. If we now go to Contact Us, that will be, you will now see our contact details, telephone, opening times. So that's it. So that's for the first side of it. Let's close that off now, and we'll look at the categories on the next tutorial. Thank you, speak to you soon.